Okay, this lab we're going to be talking about how we can create an extended volume. Earlier on in the practical lab, we're asked to create a 35 gig, which we've done already. That's a Windows installation. We're asked to create two partitions, one primary with 5 gig and one extended with 2 gig, and use other default settings. Now, of course, to create your hard drive or to partition your hard drive with Windows 7 or Windows 8, we right click, excuse me, sorry about that. We right click on the start on the new start button on Windows 8.1 and we go to computer management. When the computer management is open, we go to the disk management. Now you'll notice we only have disk 0 and we have the CD-ROM which we connected our Windows operating system, and we have our DVD-ROM now, which is of course a live DVD. Now if you notice, we don't have any other partition. Now the practical says create one primary partition with 5 gig and one extended with 2 gig. Now the best way we can go about it is to add the drives together, which gives us a total number of 7 gig. And because they are measured in megabytes, we'll put 7,000 and we'll click on shrink. Now you notice we have our 7 gig that has been shrunk from the 32 gig we had before. Now what I would do now is to come to the 7 gig. I will right click on it and I'll say new simple volume. According to the practical, we're asked to accept all default, so I'll just leave it at all the default settings. Now click finish. Now the next step is to create an extended volume of 2 gig. So we're going to right click here and we're going to shrink this volume. We're going to type 2 gig, which is 2000 megabytes. Now we have a 2 gig unallocated, so we're going to right click on it. We say simple volume, next, 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 and next, and finish. Now you'll notice the ribbon here says extended partition, meaning this partition is an extension of the 7 gig. Are we together? The same way we went about shrinking the primary drive, and from the primary drive we created another drive, another logical drive. So when you create another logical drive from a logical partition, that is where we get to what we mean by extended volume. Okay, that will be all for now. The next part will be for us to move to the Windows Sim, when I will be teaching you how to use Microsoft deployment tools to actually create an answer file. So I'll stop here now. Thank you very much.